Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is a beautiful May day. It's actually the day of the royal wedding, 19th of May 2018, and I'm so excited. They're getting married in about an hour, so I just got time to make a beautiful headdress to celebrate. I picked these lilac flowers from this bush just behind me. Look, it's really beautiful at the moment, and we'll make a beautiful headdress to celebrate. Let's get going. So I've got beautiful flowers here, and all we really need is the actual stems and then just scissors and some thin ribbon I'm going to tie it together with. It's just going to be a classic round headdress. So I'm going to cut just the long stems off, so we just end up with something like this. And then we're going to put them together to make a beautiful headdress. Just cut a few more. So I got my flowers now, and I've got just a piece of very thin ribbon that's about 1 meter long, I guess. And the idea is just to take the pieces and overlap them slightly like this, and then tie them together with the ribbon. So I'll start here by tying these two pieces together, and then adding another one. I'm just going to take the ribbon, twist it around the whole thing like this, holding them together. Another one, and so on. Very simple method. I'm hoping it will hold it. So I'm just gonna keep going like that. So I got about this far in my garland for the headdress, and it's working really well. I'm using a bit more ribbon than I thought, so I'm going to need another piece, but you can see how I've wrapped it around there. I don't know if you can see. So I'm just going to continue this way. It's holding it together pretty well, so I'm going to continue with the rest of the flowers and then make it into a headdress. So my garland's got pretty long now, and I think it's actually long enough to make into a headdress like this. It's just, I gotta tell you, it's so lovely working with these flowers because they smell so beautiful. I'm actually really enjoying this. It makes you just happy working with them. So I'm just gonna measure it on my head up here. You can't see, but so it is big enough. It needs to be about this big for me, so I'm just going to overlap them and then continue with my ribbon here, just holding it together. This is literally the easiest headdress. It takes like 5-10 minutes to make, and it smells gorgeous. So if you do have a lilac bush with lots of flowers on, I could definitely recommend this. You could also use it for other things, like hang it on your door, lay it on the table, but I'm going to wear mine, so I'm just going to finish off here and then see what it looks like. Hi guys, this is my lilac headdress. What do you reckon? I love it. It smells so beautiful, and I really just love wearing flowers. Anyway, it's a little bit too big. I think I'm going to make it a bit smaller. But anyway, it's just an idea of how you can really simply and easily make a beautiful headdress for the day. So nice to see you guys, and I'll see you again next week. And if you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you guys. And just quickly, look what just happened. It just fell down around my neck because it's just a little bit too big. So actually I thought you can wear it like this. You can just wear it around your neck as well. Just another idea. See you later.